Apple cider vinegar is a miraculous, versatile ingredient, which has a myriad of uses. You can use it as a cleaning product, a beauty care item, a medicine, insect repellent, and much more. Yet, always make sure you are using certified organic, raw, high quality, unfiltered and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, as it still contains the mother, yeast and acetic acid bacteria. If you take it orally, always dilute it in water, and start small, and gradually increase the dose. Here are 22 surprising uses of apple cider vinegar. Body detox. If you take a tablespoon of it on a daily basis, you will support the function of the liver by stimulating enzyme secretion and bile flow. Treats a sore throat. Apple cider vinegar has powerful antibacterial properties which fight pathogenic bacteria. Dilute a tablespoon in a glass of water and gargle 3 times a day. Soothe sunburn. To soothe sunburns, enjoy a bath with lukewarm water and a cup of apple cider vinegar in it. Boost digestion. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals to stimulate the saliva release and help digestive juices to easily break down food. Treats acid reflux. It stimulates the release of digestive juices and thus promotes a healthy digestion which prevents heartburn and acid reflux. Lose weight. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study which showed that it provides a feeling of satiety if taken in a glass of water before meals. Regulate blood sugar. The intake of 2 tablespoons of vinegar before meals lowers blood sugar by the next morning. Treats sugar cravings. If you take apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals, you will reduce your cravings for sweet. Supports heart health. It is rich in polyphenols, like chlorogenic acid, which reduce oxidation of low-density lipoproteins, bad cholesterol, and protect against cardiovascular disease. Skin cleanser. Apple cider vinegar is a potent skin cleanser, due to its antimicrobial components. Add a bit to a bowl of water and splash your face to clear away any impurities. Treat your feet. Add a bit of apple cider vinegar to a bucket full of warm water, and soak your feet in it for 5 minutes to kill bacteria. Cooking. Enrich the taste of your fish, chicken, or meat, by adding it to marinades. Healthy and shiny hair. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a cup of water, and use the mixture to rinse the hair after shampooing. This will make it shiny and strong. Teeth whitening. Add a teaspoon to half a glass of water and swish it in the mouth for a natural mouthwash that will leave the teeth pearly white. Afterward, rinse with water. Eliminate fleas. In a spray bottle, mix it with water in equal amounts, and spray onto the pet to keep fleas at bay. Natural deodorant. Dab a bit of apple cider vinegar under the armpits, and use it as your natural deodorant. Home cleaner. It is rich in acetic acid which is an antimicrobial agent, so you can use it as a home cleaner. Preserve your leftovers. Add a bit on the exposed parts of the flesh of fruits, like apples and avocado, and they won't turn brown. Repel fruit flies. Pour a bit of apple cider vinegar into a jar, and poke small holes into the cling wrap. Leave it in the kitchen, and it will serve as a trap for fruit flies. Fruits and vegetable wash. In a sink full of water, add a dash of it, and wash your veggies or fruits in it. Boost your bone broth. Add it to your bone broth to extract important minerals from the bones. Salad dressing. Mix apple cider vinegar with some dried herbs and extra virgin olive oil, and add the tasty dressing to your salads. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.